Plugin Alliance's Console Shootout.
Round 2.
Welcome back. Last time we looked at several consoles from Plugin Alliance, and to my surprise, Focusrite came out on top. Just to mix things up a bit, instead of EDM material, we'll use an old recording of mine for round 2. After all, there's no point in doing the same type of material twice. Since I couldn't find the stem of my original recording, I had to use an online service to split the stereo track. Thus, the quality of the files might be compromised, but not to worry, this won't affect the outcome. If one console sounds better, it will sound better. Same as last time, each console will be inserted on every individual track simultaneously. For example, SSL 9000J on insert 1, Focusrite SC on insert 2, and so on. Be sure to listen through a pair of monitors that you know well, or at least a decent pair of headphones for the best experience. Alright, enough talking.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let the shootout begin.
摇摆，要把我的手放在你身上，永远不离开。我有点怪怪，想要站起来，不要走开，就让我慢慢地告诉你我的爱。哦，你的身材在我面前舞动，轻轻摇摆，看得我好不自在。就随着曲线左右上下的欣赏，我心就要跳出来。哦，你的光芒显得怪怪，跟着你摇摆，要把我的手放在你身上，永远不离开。我有点怪怪，想要站起来，不要走开，就让我慢慢地告诉你，我想要你，我想要做爱，快过来，我抱你起来，就这样，我把心打开 ，Come on now， 我们一起 get high，get high。
They are all excellent with different flavors. SSL is punchy and focused. Focusrite SC give you openness and warmth. Lindell sounded expensive and well-defined. Amek sounds polished and modern. I have to give it to Amek 9099 because it took the least amount of time to get the job done. Well done. What is your favorite console or plugin? Comment down below and I'll see you next time.